Kono ya baita ni kwa kasera kwa unacha Agudita Bucha kilewa Oktuko Ebucha Teresa Masegati Gazetano UBC Chifu Simbuzi Naja Chifu na Kaleza Kono PPDA Makaroze Wansiwali Anonya Sapoti Ajukumu Wasono Nenga Mwakipa Tuko Tuwagona Terezebera Webu Chenekelewo Pacho UBC Innocent Mosekuzi Nanga Kamilo Epayagamba Kiki Epayagamba Kiki Emusenya PPDA Naja Watu Innocent Ogeze Ogeze UBC Wanga MD Mkuru Wilson David Akawa Walinyo Wana Zera Kato Watu kwa Watanga Wali Chifu Ogeze Nacha Inginia Nacha Nanyigamu Nakanga Yamusara Nepera Ogeze
I must say it was a great game, but we are calling for a rematch. We will have to prepare better. You seem to have prepared before you invited us, so we are now going to prepare. This was really one of those corporate engagements that we should be having as government agencies. It's not just a networking opportunity, but also an opportunity for our people to be physically fit. We are all driving the agenda of healthy living. And so this was one of those you allow our staff to participate in the core values of UBC, which is to build the network and inspire Ugandans. So we want to appreciate you, but more specifically appreciate the UBC team that put up a great performance, yet we only had 1 day of training. But we appreciate this team building engagement. We appreciate the opportunity for us to meet outside the office and get to know each other. We do quite a bit of work with PPDA, and we want to appreciate PPDA that has been offering trainings to our staff. Now was an opportunity for us to have the off-site engagements and enjoy the entertainment between our two staff.
I told you that PPDA has practiced and we are ready to win. And the boys have done it. Well done, PPDA. We are excited. We appreciate you. UBC team, you have done an amazing. By the way, you gave us a tough encounter. You gave us a very tough encounter, especially this second team. I'm not so sure whether they all work for UBC, but just like this second team didn't look like they are UBC. I did not see them yesterday when I came, but I know Maurice knows them, and it's okay and it's well.
I want to thank PPDA and the UBC team for having accepted this corporate game. And we want to promise that we are going to continue with these engagements and with all government agencies, and we want to assure the people that for us at UBC, we want partnerships like this. We want to continue working with each and everyone, even the private sector. We are going to continue having these engagements.
The game with UBC is one of the ways that we interact with our stakeholders. So it's not about only the game, it's about networking, it's about keeping in touch with our partners.
The team really put up a good performance, only that the result doesn't say it all. Because we had the fair share of the ball, the possession, we were so clinical, only that our strikers didn't utilize the chances. But yeah, outside football, I think this is a good partnership. It's a good relationship between UBC and PPDA.
And a crate of beer for the PPDA team. So.